a monkey in your pants?
Hi folks, how's it going? Monkey 5000 here, and you have to excuse the fact that I am recording. I'm using my webcam because I couldn't be bothered to set up my other camera because there's too much stuff in the way, and it will become apparent in a second. And the sound quality is just coming through my webcam as well, as opposed to the little mic. I suppose just because I've been a bit lazy when I can't be bothered to plug it in. But yeah, and I've got my light just wedged in a wonky position because I'm being a bit lazy and there's not enough space because there's a box sitting here. So, round of applause to whoever said in a previous video something along the lines of, I bet you build another gaming PC by the end of the year. You were right. You were right. I'm not even going to explain it. Not even going to explain it. But you were right. And I've not even checked that everything's in this box. But my components arrived today. Sorry, I keep looking to make sure that I'm in shot and stuff. I'm alright. Are we alright? I think we're alright. The quality might be shite and the sound might be shite, but I think we're alright. So I just decided I wanted another gaming PC to play certain games, and I blame a friend of mine. And yeah, and I do have the Hackintosh thing, which I will be selling. Shock, horror, surprise. I should just rent stuff. Might be cheaper. Anyway, on to the fun part. And I'm downloading Windows 8.1 through the Microsoft USB creation thing, and it was supposed to be done. I set it up before I went to work, and it switched the laptop back on and says, oh, there's a problem. We didn't do it. So now it's doing it. So that's going to be another hour. So, gaming PC, a little bit more powerful than the last PC, a little bit less powerful in certain ways, but you know me, that will most probably change in time. But to start it off, we have that looks quite nice, a HyperX 240GB solid state drive. That does look quite nice. It'll look quite nice in my case. I keep looking, sorry, I don't keep looking at the screen just because I'm not sure where the field of view is of the camera. I've not used this camera in a long time. HyperX 240GB solid state drive. Better than the last ones I had. That's nice. Let me see. Oh, we've got some nice black. Is this Kingston? I'm sure it is. I might be wrong. But anyway, it's Fury HyperX memory. Can you see it? That is 16GB, two 8GB sticks. So there you go. Already twice the RAM of my previous gaming PC. And we have a box with it's got stuff that's not coming out. Ugh. We have a be quiet, shh. 730 watt semi-modular power supply. Wasn't the power supply that I wanted, but my order wasn't getting shipped because the power supply that I wanted was out of stock and nobody had phoned me, and it was like near the end of the day, and I was like, right, we'll just get a replacement. And yeah, so it's this 730 watt power supply. It's supposed to be really good, quiet, etc. So yeah, it's decent, although it wasn't my first choice. Boom. So there we go. Next we have don't fall. We have a gigabyte. Can you see it? Yeah, it's a gigabyte ultra durable black edition Z97X UD3HBK motherboard, which you can sort of see it there. It's quite nice, black and yellow looking. Yep, that'll do the job. And it's a full size ATX motherboard. My last one was only a micro ATX because I originally started off with my gaming PCs building small compact PCs, and I was stuck with that board. And next, which is a semi-significant upgrade from the last time. The last time I had did I bring juice through here? I did. Hi Monkey Spas, I drink Iron Brew. Last time I had a i5 2500K processor, a couple of generations old, but I thought, fuck it, let's go a bit crazy. I wasn't too crazy to go for the newest Skylake processors. Reason being they run DDR4 memory and not much difference performance wise between that and the memory for that is dead expensive, etc. So I went for, is it Haswell? I might be wrong, but an i7 4790K, so which is quite a little bit of a step up from the 2500K, which was an i5 processor the last time. Doesn't make a lot of difference in a lot of gaming, but it will make certain things, video editing, etc, 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 that little bit better, and some games do take advantage of it. So it's quite a beefy processor. I thought better choice than going for the 6500K i5 Skylake, the new generation. If you don't know PCs, seriously, this probably means nothing. And the only thing is, I've got just going to be using the standard cooler for about, I don't know, 2 weeks, a week, maybe even less. I'm that impatient. I've just got to decide what cooler I'm going to be running with that, first of all. And the next thing we got was I got was this, which is the KFA2 or Galaxy, I think it is, GTX 970 graphics card. Has it got a picture of it? No. So that's the only thing that's a little bit different from my last build. My last build I had that box is huge. I had a, what did I have? A 980 Ti, which is considerably more powerful. And I'm going to be using an old 60Hz monitor for now, but I'm probably going to get a G-Sync 1080p monitor. I'm not going to go crazy this time, which for 1080p this graphics card's really decent. I may get a second to SLI it in the future, or I may get a 980 Ti at some point, but it's not really, it's a bit silly for 1080p. Well, maybe not, but yeah, we'll see how we go. So processor's better, graphics card a little bit stepped down from the last time, but still a very beefy PC. And case wise, oh, I got this. Can you see it? I can't even get it. Oh. It's the NZXT H440, a case that I've actually had my eye on for a long time since this was released. It's quite a nice case, and everything will look very pretty in it, and it's white as well, which I quite like. So I'll prop that down there. So once Windows is finally decided to download and install on my USB doohickey, I can start to get it up and running. I'm going to build it just now, which is half the fun half the time. So any reasons I got another PC, I just wanted to. But like I said, round of applause to whoever said I probably would, because you, my friend, were correct. But yeah, I will be selling the HP, my Hackintosh laptop that I use, or I have been using, and I'll be using for Final Cut Pro, etc. It's an HP, I've got a video of it, find it in more recent-ish videos, HP 4540S laptop. The processor's been upgraded to an i7, it's got 8GB of RAM, and it's 1080p screen, which is an upgrade. The laptop never normally came with a 1080p screen. It's running Yosemite, Mac OS X, and it's got 256GB solid state drive in it, as well as a 1TB mechanical drive in it. So it is a pretty beefy laptop, especially, and it dual boots Windows and Mac OS X Yosemite or something. But I'll put a link down to the original video I done for that, because I know a few people are quite interested at the point in time, but feeling that I will probably just eBay it. So I'm coming back again. I'm like a yo-yo, but I don't care, so da 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 or something. That's it for me, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to crack this open and start building it, but I forgot what I just said, but I will catch you next time. Well, I'll maybe catch you next time if it's all put together and working and stuff. But yeah, and after this week I'm away for a holiday for a week, so I might catch you next time. Might be a week. I don't know. Goodbye.
Do you have a monkey in your pants?